What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, today we are going to talk about few websites that will help you quickly edit your videos. Probably you work for a marketing agency or an advertising agency, or just like simply you like to click videos and upload on your social media accounts. Well, now you would be thinking that what is special about few websites those are going to help me in editing videos. The basic things, there are 2 points over here. One is that these are the websites with really quick servers. So whenever you upload the videos, they would be quick as heck. Uh, a lot of times, when you upload the videos, the websites, the servers are down. Basically, the servers are not that fast, so they take a lot of time for uploading and compressing those videos, or editing those particular videos. But these websites are tried and tested, and they are with fast servers, so you won't have any issue with that. And the second most important part is, especially whenever when we reach a particular website, we upload our video. It will probably take 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes, depending upon the file size of the video. After that particular video is uploaded on the website, and the editing part is done, right when you are in the middle of actually clicking the download button, there would be a pop-up which would come and say sign up for this particular website. So you do not need, I'm going to share 5 websites where you do not actually need to sign up. There is no registration required. They do not keep any cache, or they do not keep any of your data uploaded on their particular servers. You can directly go ahead and upload the videos, edit the videos, trim the videos and stuff like that, rotate the videos and download it. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before that, I would like to make an appeal. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and you might as well hit the like button, because that would actually motivate me to make more and more such kind of videos. I keep on making videos and upload them daily, about digital marketing, passive income, tools that you can use, or technology which is basically making simple things for you. And yeah, if you also might as well consider hitting that bell icon besides the subscribe button, so I can reach out to you on a daily basis whenever I upload the videos. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. So here we are on the desktop screen. Basically, the first website which I have for you is RotateMyVideo.net. Well, what exactly does this website do is, you must have seen there are a lot of times when we are used to capturing the videos from our mobile, and sometimes we by mistakenly go ahead and capture them in landscape, or sometimes when it is required in vertical, but we actually capture in vertical when it is required in landscape, and vice versa. So this particular website will help you to simply rotate those video aspects. I'm gonna quickly show you how you can do that. I have already uploaded a sample over here, and which is a landscape one, which is in a landscape view. The moment you click on upload, it's a quick website. It will directly start uploading the video and process it for you. Just need to wait for a couple of seconds. Alright, we are preparing your video rotation editor. Please wait. That's fine. Well, in the meanwhile, I would just like to appeal, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, because I make these kind of videos on a daily basis, and it would be really a motivating factor for me to make more and more such kind of videos. Well, the video has been processed. As you can see, it's a landscape view, but you can actually rotate it vertically. Now let's say if this particular video was taken in a portrait mode, you would have made it landscape. You can change the ratio. There is 4:3 and 16:9 ratio over here. If you don't want to change the ratio, you might as well just not choose that one. I am just as is just a demonstration video, I'm gonna show you what are the features which are available on this website. There is a change of band, so you can change this color of from this black to whatever color you want, and you just click on rotate video. The moment you click on rotate video, it will start processing your video. Just wait for a couple of seconds. And here we are. So it gives you quite some options here. You can either download the video directly. There is an option where you can actually go ahead and scan the QR code and download it on your phone directly. You can go ahead and post it on Facebook, share it on YouTube, or share it through a link. Well, this was my first website. Moving on to the next one, we have ucompress.com. Now, as the name suggests, you can actually compress your videos. There are variety of file types which are accepted on this particular website. The only thing you need to do is select file. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and select the same video. Click on open here. I don't know why it did not get selected. I'm sorry. And I have already clicked on uploading. It was showing some error, so I have just selected a file and clicked on upload. It's uploading the video. I uploaded a video of 4 MB, and as you can see, it has reduced it to 3.5 MB. It has compressed 13% of the video. For instance, if you want to further go ahead and compress the file size from 3.5 MB to further, you can download this video. Just click on this link here. As you can see, it's a 3.5 MB video. You can again do the same process. You can upload this video and it will again further go ahead and compress the video for you. The best part about this website I like is, though it will reduce the file size, but it doesn't make you lose the quality of the video at all. You can go ahead and try it yourself. Trust me, it doesn't lose the quality. Well, that was for the compression part. The third website which we have is videolouder.com. Now, there are a lot of times when you capture the videos, but the volume in the video is either too low or it's either too loud, and you in order to upload it somewhere, you really need to stabilize that particular volume. So Video Louder is something which is a very handy website. It actually allows you to increase or decrease the volume of your video. For example, I'm gonna upload the same video again as this is a demonstration, but this time I'm gonna show you the difference. So this is open. I'm gonna click on increase the volume here and increase the volume by decibels. Now this again gives you an option how many decibels you want to increase it. For showing, let me just click on 10 decibels and upload the file. It will also show you the amount of file which has got uploaded on the left corner. Alright, so it has already processed the video, and I'm gonna click on download. Alright, so this is my downloaded video. Let me just rename that for you. Loud version, and I'm gonna cut this from here and paste it the same place where I have those samples updated. Now this was the video which we uploaded. It's the same file size as you can see. I'm gonna play this video quickly. I'm sorry about my laptop, it's a bit slow. Okay. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, now today we are going to, as you can hear, I don't know if it is audible, but let me just go ahead and now the headphones. I have just 1 second, let me just unplug the headphones. So I won't be audible for some time. I'm just going to play this on loudspeaker. You will understand the difference yourself. What's up, YouTube? We are going to learn about a software name. Well, that was the original version, and this is the loud version which I'm going to play now. What's up, YouTube? So I hope you have actually noticed the difference. If not, once again I'm going to just show you. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, and this is the loud version. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching the... So the change is quite evident here. Moving to the further next website we have on board, that is Capwing. Now Capwing is something, Capwing has a lot of video editing tools, but I really like two of them, especially the resize video and the video trimmer for Capwing. In order to actually resize the video, I'm simply going to upload. Now this is a very handy tool, especially when you want to resize the video for different social media platforms. It actually allows you to resize it for Instagram, that is 1:1 ratio. In case you want to upload it on Snapchat or Instagram story, that is 9:16 ratio. It's for YouTube 16:9, Facebook, Twitter, and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Instagram. It's as it is. You can either crop it or do not crop it. It will, if you click on crop, it will fit the screen. I am just gonna go with no crop and click on create. Now it's been processed. You might just wait for like a couple of minutes. It's processing the video. Alright, and the video is actually processed. So as you can see, it has already fit my video in the 1:1 ratio. Now all you need to do is click on this download button and it will start downloading. Well, moving on to the further one, the only drawback which you will actually find in Capwing is in case you do not want that watermark. But watermark is something which is very normal, pretty nowadays, and we get watermarks on a lot of softwares or free softwares. There is Mobizane as well, which I use for recording my videos on mobile. But the only drawback is that you will get a watermark in case you don't sign in. But for quickly processing that video and uploading on your social media platforms, this is the quick way you can download this video directly. Moving on to the next tool, that is the video trimmer. Again, it's from Capwing itself. It's a very simple tool. Generally, the video trimmers which I've seen, you upload any particular video. I'm gonna upload this video, the same video as a sample one. And generally we upload, we see any particular video trimmers, so they have a lot of functions which are actually not required because we already have a processed video with us, and the only thing which we intend to do is cut that video from a particular second to another particular second. But there are a lot of tools and which are really confusing, but this is a very simple interface. All you need to do is just drag the start point and drag the end point in the Bearded Geek and just click on done. Simple as that. It is already compressed. The moment you publish, the moment you click on publish, it will start downloading your video. So it is getting processed. and in the meanwhile where it gets processed, well, that was all from my end for today for this particular tools for editing your videos quickly online and without any that's a main reason, without any sign up or without any registrations. Well, if you like this particular video, please hit the subscribe button, do like this video, and hit that bell icon besides the subscribe button. That would help me and motivate me to create a lot of videos for you guys and upload them daily. That was all from my end for today. I'll be back with another tool and another hack for you guys. Till then, keep geeking, guys. Thank you.